Once you click on the first link in the description section of this video, you are going to be taken to this interface where you need to sign up an account for yourself. Before I continue, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I make videos about making money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. And also do well to like this video as you are watching so that more people are going to benefit from it. Let's get started. So all you need to do to create an account on this website is to input your full name, enter your email address, put in your password, confirm your password, give yourself a name which is a username, then you choose your country and you are going to click this box right now, as you can see on the screen right now, and you are going to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up and you created an account for yourself, this is how your interface, your dashboard is going to look like. And as you can see on the screen right now, this is the task available for me right now to easily perform for myself. And you can basically choose the kind of category you want to work with. As you can see on the screen, ranging from social media tasks to music promotion right now. So these are the kind of tasks. So once I choose on this social media task, as you can see on the screen right now, it says none yet. So there are no tasks available on this aspect right now, on this category right now. So you can basically choose other category for yourself, which you can basically perform for yourself. So to get unlimited tasks on this website, all you need to do is to upgrade your account. As you can see on the screen, they say try our premium account to perform unlimited tasks daily. So that's all you need to do to actually perform unlimited tasks daily. As you can see on the screen, I have only one task to perform here, and with that one task there are still 134 tasks of that kind of task which is still available for me to perform. So if I upgrade this account to premium account, I can basically perform the remaining 134 kind of tasks on this website, and each of them are paying 40 naira. So 40 times 134, that is over 4,000 naira in just one single day, guys. So to upgrade your account, all you need to do is to click on this upgrade, as you can see on the screen right now. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to another interface where you're going to be inputting your card detail to make payment on this website so that you can upgrade your account for you. So as you can see on the screen right now, you just need to put in your card number, put in the year, put in the CVV of the card, then you click on pay right now. So the amount is just 2,000 naira that you can basically pay for yourself, and trust me, within one day you are going to get your money back on this website. Okay, now that's all you need to do. So you just need to click on pay 2,000 naira, and once you click on that, they are going to upgrade your account for you. Okay, so once you click on this hamburger icon, as you can see on the top right corner of the screen right now, and you click on leaderboard, you are going to see how much people are making with this website right now. As you can see on the screen right now, these are the top 20 people that are on the leaderboard right now, and these people are earning massively for themselves. So these people are basically earning with their free account massively for themselves, which means that if these people are on premium account, their results are going to be at least 10 times better than what they are actually earning on their free account right now, depending on how serious they are. So to withdraw from this website, all you need to do is to click on the hamburger icon, and once you click on that, you are going to locate the section that talks about account. We are going to be making some changes to your account. So get over to the payment section of it. So once you click on that, you are going to be inputting your bank account number. You're going to input your bank account number, select the bank you are using, and put in the bank account name. So once you've done that, you are going to click on update. So once you click on that, the changes is going to be made on this website. So all you need to do right now is to perform tasks until you get to the minimum withdrawal, and the minimum withdrawal on this website is just 1,000 naira. So once you've gotten to 1,000 naira, you can basically place withdrawal on this platform. So another way to earn money on this website is through the referral program. So you can basically earn 1,000 naira per person you refer when they use the Gigmola Premium. So all you need to do is to copy your referral link, as you can see on the screen right now. You can basically copy that referral link, and once you copy that referral link, you just need to go over to your social media accounts and start sharing it to your friends and inviting them to register to this website. And once they sign up for the premium account, you're going to be getting 1000 naira for yourself. So that will be the end of the video. If you have gained value from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye from here, guys. Peace.